As indicated by our Tezos cost forecast, the cost of XTZ basically is anticipated to increment by $0.033235 over the course of the following 7 days, coming to $0.684892 by September 21, 2023. Assuming you are looking for Tezos market gauge examination or cost expectation, you presumably need to know where the cost of Tezos, XTZ, may essentially go from now on. Our cost forecasts utilize different machine-based calculations to, in a real sense, attempt and foresee future cost developments, which is genuinely huge. This cost forecast by and large is pointed toward addressing the greater part of your inquiries. Will Tezos, XTZ, by and large recover its all-time high? What will Tezos be somewhat worth extremely 1 month from now? Is presently the ideal opportunity to purchase Tezos, which sort of is very critical. Is Tezos presently giving bullish or negative indications, which most certainly is genuinely critical? In this Tezos cost expectation conjecture, we will process different XTZ specialized markers to anticipate the cost of Tezos, or so they generally thought. Throughout recent days, Tezos has been giving negative indications, as the coin dropped 5.85%, which basically is genuinely huge. Because of this, we expect a genuinely slight recuperation inside the kind of the following week, as financial backers by and large make the most of this plunge as a potential chance to sort of purchase XTZ, which is genuinely huge. Underneath you can especially see the Tezos hourly, everyday, week after week and month-to-month cost expectations. These forecasts plan to provide you with a sign of what Tezos will explicitly be worth in 60 minutes, today, tomorrow, over the course of the following week and next month. The current cost of Tezos explicitly is $0.651657, and it is right now positioned number 49 out of all digital currencies. How much stockpile right now available for use for Tezos is 952,543,508. With an all-out market capitalization of $620,389,423. In the sort of beyond 24 hours, the cost of Tezos has expanded by 1.96%. Tezos struggles with picking up speed over the sort of beyond 7 days, down 5.85%. XTZ is giving negative indications this week. This present time could be a genuinely decent opportunity to, in every practical sense, contribute on the off chance that you are considering purchasing Tezos. Inside the kind of most recent 30 days, the cost of XTZ in a real sense dropped by 18.31%, lessening its past worth of $0.79772 by $0.146062. This current downtrend implies that Tezos certainly is in plunge at the present time. The cost of Tezos has dropped by 9.03% over the most recent 3 months, dispensing with $0.064686 from its past worth of $0.716343. Our Tezos market estimates in every practical sense are resolved utilizing different machine-based calculations, which break down different specialized pointers truly. For example, the extremely relative strength file, RSI, moving normal union dissimilarity, MACD, moving normal, MAMA, normal genuine reach, ATR, and Bollinger Group's BB. The crypto market is known to be exceptionally unstable. Anticipating future price tags of Tezos is a troublesome errand, and numerous in every way that really matters. Different elements impact the cost. Thus, the forecasts on our site ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you ought to do reasonably your own examination. Counsel your monetary consultant prior to settling on any venture choices. Tezos, XTZ, Value Expectation 2023. As we recuperate from the crypto winter, we are expecting that Tezos will accomplish a most extreme cost of $1.17. As the market starts to, in every practical sense, recuperate, the truly least expected cost explicitly is $0.781989, and the typical cost will truly drift around $0.977486. Tezos, XTZ, Value Expectation 2024. As Tezos keeps on arriving at new highs, our calculation expects that in 2024, Tezos can essentially accomplish a sort of greatest cost of $1.82, while the typical cost for the year will remain around $1.63. On the off chance that a bear market shows up, the base value XTZ can reach in 2024, essentially, is $1.43, which fundamentally is very huge. Tezos, XTZ, Value Forecast 2025 out of 2025, we in a real sense anticipate that Tezos should in a real sense see noteworthy development, as crypto earns respect across all things considered, numerous business areas, which is genuinely huge. Subsequently, the cost could reach as high as $2.48, averaging around $2.28. Tezos could see a truly least cost of $2.09, which is very huge. Tezos, XTZ, Value Expectation 2026 with the proceeded with development of exceptionally capital in the crypto market. Tezos could arrive at a most extreme cost of $3.13 in 2026, with a typical cost of $2.93. If an auction happens, the base cost expected in our forecast, in a real sense, sits at $2.74 in a very large manner. Tezos, XTZ, Value Forecast 2027. Considering the reception of XTZ by nations all over the planet, Tezos can guarantee a greatest cost of $3.78 by 2027, with a kind of typical cost of $3.58 expected, which truly is genuinely critical. Besides, the for the most part least cost for that very year could see $3.39. Tezos, XTZ, Value Expectation 2028 in the year 2028, Tezos reception will keep on ascending, with controllers beginning to acknowledge that crypto is here to remain truly. Financial backers could see XTZ arriving at a greatest cost of $4.43 by 2028, followed by an especially least cost of $4.04. The typical cost for 2028 is supposed to be $4.24. Tezos, XTZ, Value Forecast 2029 of every 2029. Because of the development throughout recent years, we will generally see another significant bull, and that implies that Tezos financial backers might see XTZ accomplish a sort of most extreme cost of $5.08, especially followed by an exceptionally normal cost of $4.89. The exceptionally least cost got from our specialized examination is $4.69. Tezos, XTZ, Value Expectation 2030 for the year 2030. XTZ fundamentally is supposed to, in every practical sense, keep on energizing towards $5.73. In view of market feeling, which generally is genuinely critical, neglecting to acquire this help